Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the April Essential Oil Recipe Box by Simply Earth. Before we get started, I wanted to share something with you guys. I have a new listing in my Etsy shop. If you're not familiar already, I have diffuser ring sets that are super cute and a fun way to wear your essential oils throughout the day. But I just started playing around with labels. So these are listed right now. It's a set of 5. There's allergy, focus, wellness, sleep, and headache. I can customize them for you though if you want different ones or different fonts, but I thought it would be a fun way to just add something to the shop. You can get them with the bottles or just the labels, and eventually I will have just digital downloads so that you can print your own labels and different things. So first, let me know what you want to see besides these in the shop. And 2, if you go to my shop and order, make sure you put a note that you're coming from YouTube and I will send you a free sample with your order. If you're new to my channel, this is a monthly essential oil recipe box that is sent to you each month. It's a subscription. You get 4 essential oils and lots of recipes and things to make the recipes. It's really fun. It's affordable and it's a really good way to gradually introduce oils into your home and create a more non-toxic home because they give you things that you're actually going to use and they're seasonal. So this month the theme is clean laundry, which is something that we switched right away when we started using oils. That was one of the main reasons I got into oils actually, to switch over our laundry soap and dryer products. We used to use fabric softener and dryer sheets. Now we just use dryer balls and white distilled vinegar. But laundry and cleaning are super important, especially when you are looking at toxins and what you're welcoming into your home, what is going to release VOCs and just kind of pollute your air in your home basically. So the reason I love Simply Earth is that they don't just give you the typical recipes that everyone has as their go-to to use. For example, dryer balls. They have a different alternative in this box, as well as just different face products and skincare, how to make different products. They're different and they're all formulated by aromatherapists. So I think that's really cool and important because safety matters when you're using oils. So let's get into the box. I'll show you the oils first and then the recipes, what I'm most excited about. So this is how it comes. The oils are in the side. Oh, and when you get your first box and use my code, first of all, you get a $40 gift card to use back towards your next box or other products, but you also get a big bonus box, which is huge, probably 2 or 3 times this size, that comes with bottles, rollers, coconut oil, different things to make your typical DIYs. So here's the recipe box, the monthly box. Red thyme is first. I have never heard of red thyme, so I always learn something. They have a lot of information on each bottle, on the recipe cards, on their website. They are all about educating you. You also get access to an essential oil hero course when you subscribe. So their goal is to educate you and let you get the essential oils into your home so that you can actually use them properly, not just to sell you expensive essential oils. So anyways, this is from the herb plant part. The ingredients: Thymus vulgaris, origin from Spain, and then it says it has a spicy and herbaceous aroma. So let's smell this red thyme. It smells kind of I can't pinpoint it. It smells old. It reminds me of my grandpa. Spicy and herbaceous, probably the old cologne he used to wear. Yeah, pretty much sums it up. I'm interested to see what they're going to use that in. Next is tangerine. I love tangerine. It's such a sweet and bright citrus. Citrus oils are so fresh. They're my favorite, I think. Ooh, really fresh. Just you're smelling the peel of a tangerine. Literally, it's from the fruit peel. All citrus oils are cold pressed from peels. This one is from Brazil and it says the aroma is tangy and citrus. It is more of a tangy scent than orange or any other citrus oil. Tea tree is next. This is a super powerful antimicrobial, antibacterial essential oil that can be used for so many things. So it's no surprise that it's in this box. This is from the leaves. It comes from Australia. And the aroma is medicinal and woodsy. I'm not even going to open this one because I have a ton of tea trees. But tea tree is very, woodsy, medicinal. It's very strong. And next, they always have 3 single essential oils and then a blend. So this is a blend called Clean and Fresh. It says, add clean and fresh to your cleaning routine and make the best cleaning products for your home. It has fir needle, neroli, lemon, and grapefruit. It sounds like it's going to smell really good. Very pine. I'm getting that fir needle a lot. But then the citrus kind of hits you. That would be a good one to diffuse while you're cleaning too. I'm excited about that. It's different. See, like most cleaning, I think people really go to like only citrus oils like lemon, orange, grapefruit. Lemon is like the #1. Next are the things that come to make your recipes, and I'll read the cards first. So the first one's a stain remover. That's exciting. It's something actually I haven't really mastered with our laundry. I do use like a stain booster powder, but I don't have like a spray or a stain stick, so this is cool. You add it into a spray bottle, swirl to mix, and it does come with 2 spray bottles, so I'm assuming we're going to make 2 different sprays. So it's going to be a stain remover spray, hydrogen peroxide, tea tree, and then Castile soap, which we use in a lot of recipes around here. Fresh reusable dryer sheets. So like I said, there's an alternative to everyone's go-to is just to use dryer balls, but they have these reusable dryer sheets. It's a cotton fabric square. So in a jar you mix oils and vinegar and then add cotton fabric squares to the jar, close, swirl until these are saturated, and then to use you remove one of these and squeeze out the excess and add it to your load of dryer or your laundry. This is exciting. I've never done anything like that for laundry, so I'm excited. This is like giving me new inspiration for doing my clean laundry. Clean linen spray. I'm assuming you use or put this in the other spray bottle. So this has thyme, the clean and fresh blend, tea tree, water, then you put it in the spray bottle. Shake and spray onto linens to refresh them. Fresh start roll on. Tangerine, the clean and fresh, and tea tree, and then they give you rollers in your first big bonus box, so you mix all that in a roller with coconut oil to make a roller, and then they also give you a recipe each month to make your own blend. So you get empty bottles in the big bonus, and so you just mix up the essential oils, and we're using all of them, into an empty bottle and make another blend. So really you're getting 5 essential oils in each box, and then Soap Nut liquid laundry soap. This is cool. I used Soap Nuts years ago before I even got into clean living, and they worked well. I was like impressed. This is the bag of them. I'll take one out and show you, but you're making a liquid laundry soap with this, so you're combining the Soap Nuts in water in a pan, boil it, simmer, cover, simmer for 1 hour, turn off, cool, strain, stir in vinegar and essential oils into the nut soaked water. Oh my gosh, that's a mouthful. And then you seal. So this is cool. I didn't even know you could do that. I just put these in my washing machine to wash laundry. So this is a soap nut. They have natural, like whatever soap, the sapone, I'm not even sure, that makes suds like soap. So this is exciting. Let's see, is that it? Stain remover, and then they also give you labels for everything. So these are for the tops of the bottles, which is nice, and then a label for each of the recipes that they give you. I love this. They're always cute too. Okay, that is everything that comes in April's box. I'm excited because April is just like a spring cleaning. You could use these in like different cleaning sprays and different things too. This box, the recipe box, is $39 per month for the subscription, and the value is always way over that. This month is $149, so you're getting such a good value when you do this and subscribe, plus all of the education, like I said, and I share the box each month, so let me know if you get it already or if you're excited to get started with it. They also give back 13% to help end human trafficking, which is a crazy amount. Like, that's so cool. They have so much about that on their website though, so you can see like which programs and organizations that they partner with and help. So, but I guess to summarize, I just love that they are down to earth, affordable, and they just really want to educate you and help you use essential oils because they are so cool and such a gift. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.